Are you a student looking for ways to make extra money? If so, you're in luck. This blog post will provide you with 7 unknown ways to make money for students, so you can make money online and fund your studies. From easy online surveys to starting your own small business, there are plenty of options available for students who want to make some extra cash. Read on to find out more. 1. Utilize cashback apps and websites for extra income. If you're a college student looking for ways to make extra money, cashback apps and websites can be a game changer. Face these platforms allow you to earn money back on your purchases, simply by shopping through their links. Money with Wings, it's like getting paid to shop. Plus, you can find exclusive deals and discounts that will save you even more money. Shopping bags. Whether you're shopping for textbooks, groceries, or even online subscriptions, cashback apps and websites can help you maximize your savings. Money bags. So, why not earn money while you spend? Check out these free websites and apps like Rakuten, Honey, and Swagbucks, and start earning cashback today. 2. Do online surveys and focus groups for money. Did you know that you can actually get paid for sharing your opinion? Speaking head, that's right, doing online surveys and participating in focus groups can be a fun and easy way for students to make some extra cash. Money with Wings companies are always looking for feedback on their products and services, and they're willing to pay for it. Clipboard. All you have to do is sign up for reputable survey websites like Survey Junkie, Swagbucks, or Toluna, and start completing surveys in your free time. Memo. Some surveys even offer a chance to join focus groups, where you can make even more money by sharing your thoughts and ideas in a more in-depth discussion. Light bulb. So why not make your opinions count and earn money while you're at it? Sign up for online surveys and focus groups today. 3. Become a freelance writer or graphic designer. If you have a knack for writing or graphic design, why not turn those skills into a source of income? Laptop computer artist palette. Becoming a freelance writer or graphic designer can be a great way for students to make money online and work from home on their own terms. House Sparkles. You can find freelance opportunities on websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer, where you can offer your services to clients from around the world. Globe showing Europe Africa glowing star. Whether you're writing blog posts, creating social media graphics, or designing logos, there is a demand for your skills. Flex biceps. Memo. Light bulb plus, as a freelancer, you have the flexibility to choose your own projects and work on your own schedule. Spiral calendar glowing star. So why not monetize your creativity and start earning money as a freelance writer or graphic designer today? 4. Start a YouTube channel or blog. Have you ever dreamed of being a YouTube star or starting your own blog? Movie camera laptop computer. Well, now is the perfect time to make it happen and earn money at the same time. Starting a YouTube channel or blog can be an exciting and creative way for students to make money online and share their passions with the world. Globe showing Europe Africa Sparkles. Whether you're into fashion, gaming, cooking, or anything else, there's an audience out there waiting to hear from you. Starstruck Speech Balloon Plus, with the right strategies and consistent content, you can even turn your channel or blog into a full-time income. Money bag party popper. So grab your camera or laptop, and start creating amazing content that will not only entertain but also help you earn money from the comfort of your own home. House camera laptop computer. Don't wait any longer, get started on your YouTube channel or blog today and let your creativity shine. 5. Offer tutoring or pet sitting services. Looking for a flexible and rewarding way to make money? Money with Wings paw prints. Consider offering tutoring or pet sitting services. Graduation cap dog face. Whether you excel in a particular subject or have a knack for working with animals, these part-time jobs can be a great fit for students looking to earn extra cash. Books house. Not only will you have the freedom to set your own schedule and rates, but you'll also be helping others and spending time doing something you enjoy. Plus, with the growing demand for online tutoring and pet care services, there's no shortage of opportunities. Mobile phone with Arrow laptop computer. So, whether you're offering academic support or taking care of furry friends, consider offering tutoring or pet sitting services and turn your skills into income. 6. Sell products on Etsy or eBay. Looking for a creative way to make money online? Laptop computer money bag. Why not try selling products on Etsy or eBay? Shopping bags. Glowing star. These popular online marketplaces are a great platform for students to showcase their handmade crafts, vintage finds, or even unique items they no longer need. Light bulb sparkles. With millions of users browsing these platforms daily, you'll have a wide audience to sell to. Plus, you can set your own prices and determine your profit margins. Money with wings chart. Increasing. Whether you're passionate about jewelry, home decor, or vintage clothing, you can turn your hobby into a profitable venture. Wrapped gift. Flex biceps. So, start listing your items on Etsy or eBay today and unlock your potential to earn money from the comfort of your own home. 7. Participate in online marketplaces for odd jobs and tasks. Looking for a flexible and unique way to make money online? Laptop computer handshake. Participating in online marketplaces for odd jobs and tasks can be the perfect solution. Whether you're looking for part-time work or just want to earn some extra cash on the side, these platforms offer a wide range of opportunities. Money bag. Briefcase. From data entry and virtual assistants to voiceover work and graphic design, you can find a variety of tasks that match your skills and interests. Clipboard. Light bulb plus, you can work from the comfort of your own home and set your own schedule. House sparkles. So why not explore these online marketplaces and start making money today? Flex biceps. Glowing star. Check out popular platforms like TaskRabbit, Fiverr, and Upwork, and see how your talents can help you earn money online.